Mongolia. Why Mongolia? People ask me that question all the time. It's so far away. It's so difficult to travel across the country. Where do you even sleep? Do you have internet connection? Do they even have roads over there? Isn't it a super dry place? And besides the steppes, what else is in Mongolia that keeps dragging you back? What is it that makes Mongolia so special to you? I don't know. I couldn't tell you. If I would describe to you the beauty, the overwhelming, profound peace and joy of this place, you wouldn't understand. You need to experience it yourself. You'll taste it, you'll hear it, you'll feel it. You will remember it. And you'll want to go back again.